Hi friends, warm greetings to one and all. Today we have this phone Moto G4 Play, which has an issue of power on button is not working. When we are connecting the charger cable, the symbol is Motorola symbol is coming, but we are not able to switch on the phone. Even if we hold the button continuously, it just gets switched off. So there's an issue with the power button. Let us first remove the back panel by removing the screws. So I have removed all the screws. There is one screw behind the sticker. We have to remove that also, or else the panel will get damaged. Now let us remove the back panel. First let us remove the volume and power button strip from the main board, and we have to it will be pasted to the frame of the phone. We have to remove the adhesive. So I have removed the inner power button strip. I am just, when I press the power button, it is working. So I just want to see whether the inner strip is working or not. Now I am connecting the battery to the board, and I am just pressing the power button in the inner strip. When I press the power button, the phone is switching on. So there is an issue with the outer button, and the inner button is alright. In some cases the inner button will also be at fault, and in that case we have to change the entire strip. In this case we just need to remove this button. There will be a lock kind of system. We just need to press it, it will come out. When it you can see the center part of the button is completely worn out. So that is the reason for the power button not functioning. Now I have this new button. It comes in set. Both the volume button and power button comes together. See, if you can see the center part, which is the thing which goes and presses the inner button, which is completely worn out in the old button. Now I am going to press this new button into the frame. It is like lock kind of system. We just need to press it, it will go and lock itself inside the frame, and it will not come out unless and until we press it from inside. So the button is fixed. Now we need to insert the strip in that location, inner button strip in the location, and connect it to the main board. I am just pressing it so that it gets inserted fully. If it is remaining outside, the button will not work properly. We need to insert it fully. Now I have connected the strip to the main board. Now let us put the battery and check once whether the phone is working perfectly or not. So I have switched on the phone, and now the Motorola symbol has come. So our issue has resolved. I just want to I will just wait for the logo to go and let the phone switch on correctly, so that we can check whether the volume button and all other buttons are also working properly. So the phone has switched on. Now I am just going to check the volume button and also the power button. First I am checking the power button. It is working. I will check it multiple times so that we can be assured that the problem is completely solved. Now I am checking the volume button. Volume up and down button both are working. So our issue is solved. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button to receive notifications when I send any new